Welcome to this video on the Government e-Marketplace, or GeM, which is transforming public procurement through digital governance. This video covers an overview of the platform, the shift to digital procurement, and how GeM is building a transparent ecosystem and expanding public procurement reach. Let's begin with an overview of the GeM platform. GeM has digitized the procurement lifecycle, significantly improving efficiency and transparency while lowering transaction costs. It remains a key pillar of India's Digital India and ease of doing business initiatives. Next, we explore public procurement in the digital age. Public procurement is vital, with governments spending thousands of crores annually across diverse sectors, supporting nearly every facet of public administration. To move away from traditional paperwork-heavy processes, the government launched GeM on August 9, 2016, to reform and modernize the system. Now let's look at the transition from conventional methods to this digital marketplace. GeM functions as a unified, end-to-end digital platform. It creates a secure, paperless, and cashless ecosystem that connects buyers and sellers, fostering transparency and competition. The platform was developed using global best practices and supports a vast range of users, from central ministries to local bodies, digitizing the entire procurement process. Moving on to how GeM builds a transparent procurement ecosystem. Transparency is core to GeM. It provides buyers with multiple procurement methods, such as direct purchase, bidding, and reverse auctions, all while using digital records to ensure accountability. The platform also offers data-driven tools, such as availability reports and analytics, and integrates with other national procurement systems to provide a single, unified access point. Did you know that by August 2026, the Department of Military Affairs had crossed 1.35 lakh crore in cumulative GMV on GeM? Finally, GeM continues to expand the scale and reach of public procurement across the nation. GeM has achieved significant scale, connecting over 1.37 lakh government organizations with nearly 25 lakh sellers. This massive network has facilitated a cumulative procurement value exceeding 20 lakh crore. The platform offers incredible breadth, supporting over 10,660 product categories and 350 service categories. It aligns with national missions like Digital India, Make in India, and Aatmanirbhar Bharat. GeM continues to evolve through policy reforms and technology upgrades, such as the introduction of rate contracts and the removal of caution money requirements for sellers. Strategic partnerships play a key role in strengthening the GeM ecosystem. Collaborations are driving innovation and financial inclusion. For instance, GeM partnered with InSpace for space technology and drone procurement, and with Union Bank of India for the GeMSahay initiative. GeMSahay is a dedicated mobile app, providing eligible sellers with instant, collateral-free working capital loans to help them fulfill government orders seamlessly. Institutional partnerships with organizations like AJNIFM and the UN Women support research, policy development, compliance enhancement, and gender-responsive procurement. GeM is also dedicated to empowering women, startups, and socially marginalized entrepreneurs. To improve last-mile access, GeM partnered with common service centers to establish GeM Suvita Kendras, providing local handholding and support for registration, catalog creation, and grievance redressal. These efforts are driving inclusive growth, significantly increasing procurement from women-led enterprises, startups, and micro and small enterprises across the country. GeM has launched several dedicated initiatives to ensure a wider, more inclusive participation. Key initiatives like SWAYATT, Startup Runway, Womania, and the Saras Collection help underserved communities connect with government buyers. SWAYAT, or Startups Women and Youth Advantage through e-Transactions, serves as a flagship program for promoting inclusive procurement. The Womania initiative specifically focuses on showcasing products made by women entrepreneurs and self-help groups, helping them access government opportunities. Finally, the Saras Collection provides a platform for rural self-help groups to sell their daily utility products to government buyers, fostering rural development. GeM also provides a dedicated marketplace for startups to showcase their innovative products and services directly to government buyers. This design approach is central to evolving towards a smarter public procurement process. As GeM begins its 11th year, it is focusing on a more integrated ecosystem. Future developments include leveraging artificial intelligence to further enhance transparency and efficiency while driving economic growth and self-reliance. This concludes our overview of the platform's design and strategic direction. Thank you for watching this video on the Government e-Marketplace. For more information, please refer to the official platform resources.